Marbites, it's me, Marbites. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. No, I'm speaking like I'm from up north. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Marbites Scott, and today's look is basically not a look for you to try out unless you want to try it out and wear it somewhere. Because basically, as I was recording, I decided, you know what, I'm not going to do what I originally wanted to do, so I just decided to listen to some music and just kind of go with the flow and go with how the music was making me feel and how, yeah, so clearly I've done my hair on one side, and the other side it's still curly. Well, it's curly all around, and yeah, I just kind of was inspired by the music that I was listening to from a friend of mine who is composing something really interesting at the moment, and you know, I just had it on repeat, listening, going nuts on my face. I mean, I wished I drew this out, because now I'm like, yeah, I think I would do this eye again on that side, or vice versa. But yeah, I'm happy with the look, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Kind of. Well, yeah. So to start off, to prepare for our eyes, I am now putting some white concealer on with a brush, and I'm blending that in. Clearly you can see that my eyebrows and my skin are semi-done. Well, my eyebrows are done, my skin is semi-done. I just wasn't in the mood on doing my skin today. So yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, going in with a purple shade, I'm going to create a little halo on the lids of my eyes, bringing that up towards the brow bone, and then leave it there before I diffuse that with a fuchsia color, and you know, just keep blending until I'm happy with that color before we continue on with this look that I clearly had no direction when I was doing this. I was listening to a new track that my friend has made, my dear close friend has made, and I was just like going with the music. As you can see here, I've gone in with a blue now, and I'm creating a kind of hook from my outer corner going into my inner corner, sort of, and I'm just blending those colors in together. So I've gone in with a fluffy brush now, and I've used a little bit of that blue just to diffuse the harsh line that was already there, just to make it a bit more coherent. Like I said, I have no idea what I was doing in this video when I was doing it, but clearly I'm telling you what I'm doing. So right now I'm going to cut my shape, not my crease. I'm cutting shapes on my face. Anyway, so I wasn't too sure what kind of shape I wanted, and I wasn't too sure if I was going to do a lightning bolt, but as you can see, I didn't. I went for this really weird shape. So if you know what this shape is called, please leave it down in the description box below, because I would love to know what this shape is called, if it actually even has a name. I just know it has like 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. It's, yeah, weird shape. Anyway, using the white concealer and a brush that was not made for me to be doing this. This brush was actually made for me to cut the crease and not make shapes. But anyway, I'm doing that, and then once I've done that, I'm going to fill in that shape with a yellow pigment. And now I'm just going to outline that shape with some black liner, and then I'm going to move on to doing some spots on the other eyelid, because like I said, I was just going with the music and I had no idea what I was going to do. However, I think I'm going to listen to music a lot more and just do makeup spontaneously, because I feel like this is a look that I would wear if I was doing a photo shoot, like a fashion photo shoot with bright colors and everything. I think that could work. It obviously isn't an everyday look, but as you can see, I'm going in with the green now circle, then I go in with a next color, blue, and then I go in with the next color, orange, and then I'm going to outline them off camera, and then we're going to continue with the look. What else can I say about this look? It was pretty hard doing because obviously I didn't know what I was doing. So here I'm just putting some white concealer underneath my eyes, and then I'm going to place some green shimmery eyeshadow on top of that so it pops. I'm not going to do it on the other eye just because I wanted this look when I was doing it just to be really weird. And on the other eye I'm putting a light wash of purple and brown underneath it just so that it looks a bit more finished than not finished. Got my lashes on. I'm putting on two different types of highlighters, so I'm putting a really light one on my left eye, and then I go in on the right eye with a darker highlighter so it's more bronzy, where this one is more white, as you can see. Now I'm going to highlight my nose and my forehead and my cheekbones, and bear in mind I only have BB cream on, so my skin, you can clearly see the shadows and some of the blemishes. Like I told you, I wasn't really in the mood to do like a full face today. I just wanted to try out something new on the eyes. So anyway, going in with that highlighter, dusting it on a little bit, and then I am going to blend it out with some damp beauty sponge. Just about to finish this look, spritzing my face, and then I'm going to go in with some lipstick, a purple shimmery lipstick from, I believe it's MUA Makeup Academy, and I'm using this purple because I felt like it went with the eyes, and then on top of that I go with the same green eyeshadow that I used on my right eye for my lower lash line liner. And that is pretty much the look. I do fix up the lips off camera because the green was a bit too much, so I outlined it again with the purple lipstick and just blended that in. Anyway, if you decide to do this makeup look, please tag me on Instagram. So that's how I got the look, guys. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I am about to go and drink some more gin now. I just love being on holiday. I really do. Anyway, bye.